How do I view my full card number on Google Pay?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to navigate through the process of viewing your full card number on Google Pay. It's important to note that due to security reasons, Google Pay does not usually display the full card number. However, there are ways you can retrieve this information. Let's dive into it.
Understanding Google Pay's security.
Google Pay is designed with your security in mind, and as such, it does not display your full card number on the app. When you add a card to Google Pay, it replaces your actual card number with a virtual account number. This number is used to securely process your payment, ensuring your information stays safe.
Where can you find your full card number?
Since your full card number isn't available on the Google Pay app, you'll need to refer to the physical card or your bank's online banking system. These are the two most common ways to access your full card number.
Accessing your full card number through your physical card.
This method is quite straightforward. Your full card number is usually printed on the front of your physical card. It is typically a 16-digit number, though this can vary depending on your bank or card provider.
Accessing your full card number through online banking.
If you can't locate your physical card or prefer not to use it, you can also access your card number through your bank's online system. 1. Log in to your bank's website or mobile app. 2. Navigate to the Cards or Equivalent section. 3. Select the card that is linked with your Google Pay. 4. Here, you should be able to view your full card number. Please remember that each bank's interface is slightly different, so the steps may vary. In conclusion, while you can't view your full card number directly in Google Pay due to security measures, you can always refer to your physical card or your bank's online banking system. We hope this guide has helped you understand how to find your full card number. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips.